everybody. Thanks for joining me on my channel today with Amy's Creative Acrylics. I'm Amy. Hello, hello. Today I am going to do a pour. I am doing a pour. I want to do it on a black base. I just have a black canvas here that I have sitting around. So I figured I would use it up. Since I want to use a black base, I just will. Okay. I'm going to do kind of two techniques. I'm for sure going to do some shmearing, possibly kind of a blowout, like a Dutch board type thing. We'll see how well my paints move. Sometimes they're not quite thin enough, but we'll see. That's what I want to try to do. And then if that doesn't work, I will definitely do more of a smear technique. Now the colors that I'm going to use, I'm using Lofts Florescent Black for the base. I'm using Lofts Neon Green, Blinkrylic Fluorescent Violet, Blinkrylic Fluorescent Turquoise, or no, sorry, just turquoise, not fluorescent, just turquoise. Decoart Metallic 24 karat gold. And then I have another one that I have a little bit of a mixture of Liquitex Basics, purple gray, and deep violet. I had mixed the two together a little bit. Start here with, so I kind of want a little bit here and then some kind of coming up a little bit. So these are some really pretty colors. And they look beautiful on this black base. I do want to thank everybody for joining me today. I hope you will enjoy it and like and subscribe and share and all that fun jazz. And hopefully you will watch it a little while longer. I'm slowly getting my my subscribers up to be able to get monetized. Not yet, but you have to get to 1,000 subscribers for that. But my watch hours need to be like 4,000 watched hours. So if you can, please watch a little while longer. And then, let's see. So I just put the colors down. I did put a little bit of extra black around here, so I have a little bit more to help these colors flow. I may blow this over just a smidge. I don't want to cover all of it because I do want these colors to stand out quite a bit. So I'm just going to kind of, oops, I forgot to put the gold in. Sorry about that, guys. So I'm going to put the gold down and then we'll get to blue. Alright, so I'm bringing it down for a close-up. God, these colors are beautiful on here. I like how the gold just kind of looks like it's glowing on there, on top of the black. It's beautiful. And these colors just pop. But look at all that shimmer. So pretty. Look at them cells. Ugh, those are some cool cells. It's beautiful, beautiful. Please comment below and tell me what you think. I know for a Dutch pour, I need to get my paints a little bit thinner. I'm working on it. Thank goodness when I did my son's painting, it turned out wonderfully. But I still need to get it down right because I tend to make my paints just a little on the thicker side. But I do like how this turned out after I Shmearing saved the day, in my opinion. Tell me what you think. But I do appreciate you guys watching. If you're new to watching today, thanks for joining in. I appreciate you. Comment what you think, and hopefully if you liked it, you will hit that like button and notification, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Then you'll be notified when I put my next video up. If you're returning, I love you, love you, love you. You guys are amazing. I appreciate all your support. And yeah, thanks for watching, everybody. Have a good day. Have a good evening. And keep being creative. Bye.